Hey Harold, things are kind of strange right now, huh? Do you wanna maybe hug about it? Okay, you're right. So they're like recommending that we stay at least 6 feet apart from each other, which seems crazy for us because, I mean, we get along so well and it's like you're a part of my personality. So how can people show and share that they love and care about each other? That's a great idea, Harold. We can share how we share a hug and how we send a hug. So today on Quarantine Crafts, I know, I made that one up. We're gonna show you how to send a hug to someone far away or someone really close, or your neighbor, or the person that's across the room from you, pretty much anyone that's over 6 feet away from you, you can do this with. So here we go. Things that you'll need for this project are paper, a marker, scissors, tape, an envelope, and a ruler if you want it. Step 1, you're going to want to draw some hands. I like to just free form it. Make sure you draw 2. Doesn't have to be perfect. Give it some personality, and some nails. Don't forget all the little wrinkles in your hand. Okay, now you've got your hands. Cut them out. Now that we have our hands, we're going to set those aside and make the arms. I'm just going to cut a few strips of this paper. Now I simply assemble it using some tape. Depending on how long you want to have your arms, you can make it super long. Let's cut a little elbow. On each end, you're going to want to add a hand. And now you just decorate it. Give it some cuffs. And always make sure you write instructions. After you're done, you're going to fold it up so it fits in your envelope. Ooh, it's a little tight. There you have it, a hug ready to send out.